Rockerz 333 Pro budget neckband from Boat. It promises crystal clear audio quality with ENX tech and a massive playback time of 60 hours and ASAP charging. This budget neckband has a host of other features. Let's find out. The main highlights of this budget neckband Boat Rockerz 333 Pro are the crystal clear audio and call quality with 10 mm drivers. It has massive battery which promises 20 hours of playback with 10 minutes of ASAP charge. It can pair two devices simultaneously with Bluetooth 5.2. It has instant voice assistant as well. Magnetic earbuds keeps it safe from falling, and it also offers IPX5 water resistance quality which keeps this neckband safe from light drizzle and sweat. Now let's open this nice packaging and see what's inside. This is the packaging of the Boat Rockerz 333 Pro. As you can see, it has braided cable for durability, and it also has ear clip to keep it safe from falling while doing exercise. This is the main device. As you can see, design wise, this neckband feels premium. It comes with braided cable which adds to durability, and the main highlight is of course this extra control on the wear. This feels nice every time a call comes and you don't have to grope for the neck. These are the things that comes with the packaging. Some paperworks, a thank you card, a user manual, some stickers, and a useful thing, some extra earbuds here. This 10 mm drivers has a magnetic clip which uh, has a strong magnetic strength to keep it safe. If we talk about the performance, it offers crystal clear audio, but sadly it is missing out on active noise cancellation. But otherwise, this device, Boat Rockerz 333 Pro, offers a good quality sound with deep bass, as is the signature of Boat. This external control offers the power button in the middle and the volume plus and minus button, and it has also the charging port over here. It would have been better it if it was fitted in the neck portion here as well. It comes with this board branding here. So this budget neckband offers good crystal clear audio with deep bass and long hours of playback. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope it helps you to make any decision on buying this device. Thank you once again.